In 2026, don't beg for validation. Some people are born with opportunities. Some are born with money. Some are born with connections. And some are born with nothing but fire inside their heart. That is why you must stand alone. Standing alone means waking up early when others sleep. It means working quietly while others show off. It means choosing discipline over comfort. And purpose over pleasure. In 2026, distractions will be everywhere. Shortcuts will look attractive. Easy money will tempt you. Fake success will shine brighter than real effort. But deep inside, you already know the truth. Anything that comes easily, leaves easily. That is why, you must stand alone. There will be nights, when you feel tired. Days when nothing seems to move forward. Moments when you question yourself. You will ask, am I doing the right thing? Why is my progress so slow? Why does no one support me? If someone helps you, it is almost certain that they will stop someday and walk away. Those moments will test you. But they will also build you. When you stand alone, people will question you. They will laugh at your silence. They will mock your patience. They will say, why are you struggling so much? Why don't you live like everyone else? Because growth does not happen in comfort. It happens in silence. In consistency. Standing alone means believing in yourself. When no one else does. It means continuing your work. Even when results are invisible. It means choosing long-term pain over short-term pleasure. In 2026, the strongest people will not be the loudest. They will be the ones who kept going. When no one was watching. That is the price of standing alone. You may lose friends. You may lose comfort. You may even lose confidence for a while. But what you gain is far greater. Don't wait for applause. Don't measure your life using someone else's timeline.
The Bhagavad Gita, the power of standing alone. Bhagavad Gita chapter 6 verse 5. A person must uplift himself by his own mind. He shouldn't degrade himself. The Bhagavad Gita is not just a religious book. It is a manual for life. A guide for moments when you feel confused, lonely, weak, or unsure about your future. On the battlefield of Kurukshetra, Arjuna stood surrounded by thousands of warriors. At that moment, no one else could fight his battle for him, not even Lord Krishna. Instead, he taught him how to face himself. One of the strongest lessons of the Gita is this. True growth begins when you learn to stand alone. No one can live your life for you. No one can fight your inner battles. You must stand alone and rise. The Bhagavad Gita teaches that depending too much on others makes us weak. People may support you today, but tomorrow they may leave. This verse reminds us that waiting for others to lift us up is a mistake. Real courage comes when you learn to listen to yourself, correct yourself, and guide yourself. Standing alone gives you silence, and silence gives you clarity. In that silence, you begin to see your mistakes, your weakness, your distractions. The Gita never promises an easy life. It promises a meaningful one. Krishna tells Arjuna that pain, failure, and struggle are not enemies. They are teachers. Perform your duty without attachment to results. Bhagavad Gita, chapter 2, verse 47. This means Do your work honestly. Walk your path sincerely. Even if no one supports you, even if no one notices you, standing alone teaches discipline. Krishna didn't tell Arjuna to escape from life. He told him to face life with courage and awareness. In the same way, standing alone does not mean isolating yourself forever. It means building strength within yourself first. Please don't forget like, comment and subscribe.